Hello everybody, so today we're going to be using graphs to understand the central tendency of data, or we're just going to analyze graphs basically. So number one, what is the range of goals scored? Okay, so when they're asking for range, all you have to do is find the smallest number in the data set and the largest number in the data set. In this case, it would be twisters over here and thumpers over here. And if you look at it, twisters is 5 and thumpers is 20. Okay, so the range of goals scored is 5 to 20. All of the all of the numbers in this data set will be between the numbers 5 and 20 inclusive. Okay, number two, it's asking for the mean number of goals scored. Mean is basically just the average, so you find the average of all of these numbers. Raiders is 12 goals. Giants is 17 goals. Twisters is 5 goals. Thumpers is 20 goals. And Bobcats is 17 again, 17 goals. And so you add all of this together, 19, 24, 44, and 61. Okay, so you get 61 and you divide by 5 because that's the number of hockey teams inside of the data set, and you get 12.2. You get 12.2 goals. Okay. Oh, my bad. No, it's not this. It's 12 plus 17 is 29, plus 5 is 34, plus 20 is 54, plus 17 is 71. Yeah, 71. So not 12.2, it's 14.2. So the answer is actually 14.2 goals is the mean number of goals. Okay, number three, identify the mode of the data. When it's asking for mode, what it's asking is for the most frequently number that comes up. Okay, in this case, it would be 17 because 17 comes up twice and everything else comes up only once. 12 comes up once, 5 comes up once, 20 comes up once, but 17 comes up twice, which makes it the mode of the data. And finally, it's asking for the median of the data, which is basically the number in the middle. So you take all of this and you order it so that it's least to greatest, 5, 12, 17, 17, 20. And then you find the middle number, which in this case is the third number, or 17 again. So the median of this is 17. Okay, onto measurement units. Convert the measuring units as indicated. 29 yards and 3 feet to, well, we know that 3 feet is 1 yard. So 29 yards and 3 feet is just 30 yards. And we know that 1 yard is 3 feet. So you just multiply by 3 and you get 90 feet. 32 yards and 5 feet. We know that that's actually 33 yards and 2 feet, or you can just go with 32 and 5 feet, whatever one you think is the easiest for you to work with. Yeah, so then you get 99. You multiply this 33 by 3 to convert to feet. So it's 99 feet and 2 feet, which is just 101 feet. Okay, one more. 12 feet and 2 inches, where 1 foot is 12 inches. So you just multiply by 12 and you get 144, and then you add 2 to get 146 inches. Okay, on to the next section, which is area. When you're finding the area of a triangle, it's 1/2 base times height. 1/2 base times height. Okay, where the base is 11 and the height is 12. So it's actually just 1/2 12 times 11, which is 6 times 11, which is 66. 66 units squared because they don't give you an actual unit, so you just say 66 units squared. Okay, number 3 is asking for the area of this parallelogram. Actually scratch that. We're not going to be doing number 3 because it's sort of ambiguous where this 8 is referring to, if it's referring to this line over here or this line over here, and then 8 whether it's referring here or here, and then if it's not the scale, that's also confusing. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is that number 3 is really confusing and I'm not sure if I know the answer. So instead of that, we're going to be doing 2 and 4. Okay, so same thing, 1/2 base times height, 1/2 6 times 5, which is 3 times 5, which is 15. And number 4. Okay, number 4 is sort of confusing, but what you need to know is that everything is like this. Okay, if you split it up into 5 different triangles, all of these triangles are equal. Okay, and you take this 11, and all sides are 11. Okay, and so you take this first triangle, and it's 1/2 base times height again, where 1/2 is 11 times 5. 1/2 11 times 5, which is 1/2 of 55, which is 22.5. Okay, and then we know that there are 5 triangles. They're exactly like this. So you just multiply 22 times 5 by 5, and you get 5.2. No, scratch that. Sorry. It's not 22.5, it's 27.5. Okay, 27.5. So when you multiply, it's 0.5, 0.2, 7, 3, 1. So 137.5 units squared. Okay, that was really confusing, but anyways, other than that, we're done with this, so let's just go on to word problems. Number 1, John works at the clothing store. When he sells coats, he makes a 20% commission. If John sells $560 worth of coats over the weekend, how much would his commission be? So what it's saying is that John's commission is 20%, or 1/5 of how much he makes, or how much coats he sells. And he sells $560 worth of coats. So then you just need to find out what 560 of 20% or 1/5 of 560 is. Okay, this isn't right. It's the other way around. It's 1/560. Okay, because it's this is supposed to be 20/100. So you're trying to find what 20/100 is to 1/560. And so you just multiply this x. Sorry, 5x is equal to 560. Okay, and then you just divide by 5 and 5, and so you get x is equal to 112. Okay, so the answer is $112. Okay, one more. Over a period of 6 hours, 4 inches accumulate on the ground. If the snow were to continue at this rate, how much snow would accumulate in a single day? So in 6 hours, 4 inches. Okay, and one day has 24 hours. So if you divide by 6, that means that 6 hours will repeat itself 4 times, which means 4 inches accumulating has to also repeat itself 4 times, or you multiply by 4 to get 16, which means 16 inches of snow would accumulate in a single day. Okay, today was really hectic. I was sort of out it, but I hope that doesn't impede you in learning this content in any way. That's it for today. Have a nice day.